Hi everybody, this is Ospreyeye from mychartcoach.com, and we are looking at ticker symbol ASTI. A very nice move today, up 21% here. There was a bullish reversal confirmation yesterday on the 11th. There was a bullish homing pigeon reversal pattern formed. As you can see, there's this red candle formed on the 10th, and then on the 11th, a smaller red candle formed inside of the previous red candle, and this formed a bullish homing pigeon. And then on yesterday, there was this white candle that formed that confirmed the pattern. So we had a bullish reversal confirmation buy signal yesterday, and then today there was this nice follow through. This is the 50, 100, and 200-day moving average chart. As you can see, the key level to break is going to be this 50-day moving average. There's a good chance that with this bullish move there could be a run up to that level. It has previously been a big resistance, and ASTI has been unable to turn that level into support. Each time that it breaks, there's a pullback. So there was a break in October, and then there was this big pullback. So what bulls want to see, they want to see a close above the 50-day moving average to put this 100-day moving average at 24.48 on deck. Okay, let's look at the next chart. The next chart here, it was the chart that we posted last night, and as you can see, we stated that there was this bullish homing pigeon formed. The pattern was confirmed today, and then there was this close above the green line, which is EMA 8. So there's a close above EMA 4 and EMA 8, the pink and green lines. This was a bullish move because, as you can see, they have been resistance during this whole downtrend. The last close above both levels was back here on the 8th of October. So this here close above these key resistance levels was the bull signal. This is signaling to you more upside potential, especially along with a bullish reversal confirmation. So one thing you want to look at is back here on October 5th, there was a close above the middle Bollinger Band, and ASTI was unable to turn that level into support, and a pullback followed. So what we want to see today is we want to see a close above the middle Bollinger Band at 15, and then we want to see that level turn into support. We don't want to see history repeat. That is when you're a chartist, what you do is you look at the history of the stock, the ETF, whatever chart that you're looking at. You want to look at the history and see what happened in the past to help anticipate future price movement. So the history here is that ASTI has been unable to turn the middle Bollinger Band into support. So what we're going to be looking for is a bullish change in trend. We want to see another green candle form above. We want to see a close first above the middle Bollinger Band today, and then another close above that level on Monday to signal a change in the previous trend. As you can see, EMA 4, EMA 8, and the middle Bollinger Band are all at 15. 15 is the key level to turn into support. Let's look at the next chart here. This chart is the same chart as before without the annotations. As you can see up here on Fasto is now at 81.02. So now it's hitting overbought levels. The last time Fasto was at this level was back here in September, and a pullback followed. And so we want to go forward, ASTI is going to have to be able to head higher in the power zone. So that's remains to be seen if that can happen. So we'll see what happens next week. And then here you've got this break above the 50 line on RSI. So RSI 50 to 70 is the bull zone, and so what bulls want to see is they want to see a close above 50, and then they want to see ASTI hold above that level and head higher with RSI above 50. As you can see, that's been the past level of resistance. Back here when the middle Bollinger Band broke, there was this close above RSI above 50, but the middle Bollinger Band support did not hold, and pullback followed, and RSI pulled back below 50. So bulls, you want to see RSI above 50 and this middle Bollinger Band hold for bull signals. And then we posted last night, keep an eye out for a bull cross. And as you can see here, the MACD line has crossed the signal line. The green line's crossed the red line to the upside, and there's a green histogram bar. So that's another bullish indicator. And then today, okay, you can see the strong move. Look at this powerful move. Okay, yesterday there's this bullish move. Candles were riding above the middle Bollinger Band and riding EMA's 4 and 8 support higher. And then here you have today this big breakout above the riding this EMA's 4 and 8 support and busting above the upper Bollinger Band. So this is a very powerful move on big volume. Look at the volume behind the move. You do have MACD did go parabolic here, did break out and is starting to hook a little bit. You can see a big gap between the MACD line and the signal line. So what bulls don't want to see, they don't want to see MACD line hook down and then cross over. That's going to be the red flag, and that's going to signal this EMA 8 being tested. If EMA 8 at 16.4 support level breaks, that puts the middle Bollinger Band on deck. So see the big space, how much distance there is between EMA 8 and the middle Bollinger Band. So for traders, you don't want to hold in between this level. EMA 8 is where you exit and then you reload here at the middle Bollinger Band if the chart remains bullish. That's a trading strategy for the traders. Look at the next chart. This is a 5-minute chart, and this shows a closer look at today's action. You can see the candles are riding up above EMA's 4 and 8, and then now they're testing that support level. If they break, that's going to put this middle Bollinger Band at 16.5 on deck. So bulls, you don't want to see middle Bollinger Band break on the 5-minute chart. If that breaks, that puts this lower Bollinger Band at 15 on deck. Okay, and look down here at MACD. You'll see MACD is pinching and setting up for its first bearish crossover of the day, so this will be a red flag. And then look at the volume bars here. Volume bars at the top, those are profit takers. So, so this is showing that there's a lot of profit taking up here and potential for the first intraday pullback. So besides this one here, the little mini pullback, there could be another dip coming. So if you like this information and you want to learn more, please check out our website, check out our chat. We're all about education and trying to teach you how to chart on your own and be able to let technical analysis lead you down the path to the pot of gold. Okay, so that's what it's all about. It's all about the TA. All right, hope you're having a great day. Thank you.